Are you the one who is dependent on antacids or digestive pills quite frequently, or cannot start their day without having an antacid, or face a lot of acidity or acid reflux or regurgitation or heartburn issue quite frequently? Then this video will be a rescue for you, because in this video I'll be sharing 6 natural foods that are available to us which can help you to prevent or heal or cure your acidity problem. And the best part about these foods are that these are naturally, easily and locally available to us, and it is easy to consume. It needs less or no preparation time. It is budget friendly and it fits for all age groups. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hi, this is Pranka Gupta and welcome to my channel. This video is basically an extension to my last video. In my previous video, I discussed about how you can cure acidity permanently, and if you haven't watched that video, then I would highly recommend you to watch that video, because in that video you'll get to know top 5 reasons for your acidity problem and how you can cure it permanently at the root level. And you can find the link in the description box below as well as in the I button at the top. Moving ahead, when we talk about acidity is itself not a disease, but if left untreated, it can actually make the body a breeding ground for a lot of diseases and infections. And of course, we do not want that. So it is important that we treat our acidity problem naturally and try to keep our body alkaline for the same. For that reason, I'm going to share top 6 foods that can actually help to prevent your acidity problem, and it will do in 3 ways. First, it will help in maintaining your pH levels in the body. It will keep your body alkaline. Also, it will improve your digestive power. Starting from number 6, fennel seeds or saunf. Now, fennel seeds are commonly found in our kitchen, and it can be seen that most of the people take it as a mouth freshener after their meals. And no wonder these tiny seeds act as a very good source for the curing your acidity or bloating problems and even heartburn issues, and as it promotes the production of the digestive enzymes. Either you can chew it directly after your meals, or you can take fennel seed water. For that, you can soak 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds in water, in 1 cup of water overnight, and you can consume it in the next morning along with the water. You can also have it in the form of fennel tea. For that, you need to add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds in 1 cup of hot water, and then you can cover it and let it steep for 10 minutes, and then you can consume it sip by sip till you feel better. At number 5, we have holy basil leaves, or commonly known as tulsi leaves. Now, these leaves have soothing properties which can give you relief from your acidity problem. It can also help to cure your heartburn issue, as it helps in the production of mucus in the inner lining of the stomach, and this mucus thereby protect the acid attack on the stomach walls, because of which you get relief from your acidity, and you can also prevent the heartburn issue. Way to consume it: you can either chew on 3 to 4 basil leaves directly, or you can also boil a few leaves in water and take it in the form of tea. At number 4, we have ginger. Ginger again is very commonly found in a kitchen, and it has got a lot of anti-inflammatory properties and healing properties as well. It works wonder for your digestive health, starting from your bloating to acidity to acid reflux to heartburn to GERD, whatever it is. It basically reduces the likelihood of the acid to move upward towards into the esophagus. And how to really consume it: you can just simply boil 1-inch piece of ginger in 1 cup of water and take it in the form of your refreshing ginger tea. At number 3, we have coconut water. Now, coconut water is a beverage which is available to us naturally by nature, and it is again an excellent beverage which soothes our stomach. It acts as a coolant, and it also contains a good amount of potassium which balances the pH of our body naturally. So it is actually a very good option when it comes to curing or healing your acidity problem. And way to consume coconut water: just cut it and drink it raw. Curd or yogurt or buttermilk. Now, curd or buttermilk is something that we usually prepare at our home on a regular basis. And these are an excellent sources of probiotics which helps in increasing the good bacteria in the gut. Now these good bacteria will prevent any acid formation in the stomach. Simply enjoy it after your meals to improve your digestive health. At number 1 we have the supernatural antacid, which is the banana. Banana is an excellent source of potassium which naturally balances the pH level in the body. Also it contains prebiotic fiber which acts as a food for the good bacteria in our gut, thereby promoting better gut health and improved digestion power as well. And this is how it prevents the acidity and acid reflux issues as well. Best way to consume it is basically to have it raw on an empty stomach or as a healthy snack in between your meals. So these were the top 6 foods that will help to prevent or cure your acidity problem. I hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss on any of my future videos. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished, and always keep it simple, smart and effective.